Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis, price predictions, and news updates on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Polygon Matic and picking up where we left off in the previous Polygon video. Now, I have made some changes to the chart here just to adjust some timelines here because the amount of consolidation, sideways trading that we have going on here is just a bit more than I had expected. And so this has to, we have to make some adjustments to where these price predictions here in the short term, where they could be going to just due to this reason here. So looking at how things are currently performing, just to kind of do a quick run through here, we look at Polygon within its first wave that it had. Started here back at the 52-week low after we had come down a pretty significant amount with Polygon and with the whole crypto crash that had happened. That had taken the price Polygon around to 31 cents that it had reached. And then from that point, then we saw Polygon go up within 5 waves here and complete that wave one from these much larger wave impulses. Just to take you guys and show you guys the sub waves that we've had here. So then we've come down within a wave 2. And then now we're within this wave 3. Polygon is one of the few cryptocurrencies that actually have a chart that looks this nice. When you look at the way that the FTX fallout had really messed up the entire crypto market, the way it's messed up Bitcoin, it sent Bitcoin down to a new 52-week low. It didn't do that with Polygon. Polygon never lost its placement within the wave 3. So that wave 2, that had completed back in the third week of September. So the interesting thing here is when Polygon, right before the whole FTX fallout had taken place, Polygon was seeing a really nice price pump at that time. The price was really going up, really nice. It had managed to go to a price of around $1.30. And then when the whole FTX fallout had taken place, there was a bit of a crash with Polygon, but still the price had never fallen lower than where it had completed the wave 2. So that was nice to see that. And in this case, Polygon's managed to actually have some decent sized subwaves now. That's all part of this wave 3. So it's going to be a bit interesting to see how this does play out. But we have this first subwave in, we have this second subwave in, and now we're still within this third subwave right now, which is going to be, of course, our largest subwave. And I'm thinking that we might be seeing the entry point within this box here, which is going to take us back into where we were at within the first subwave of this wave 3 at a price of around $1.30. Start to get back within that range, I'm thinking. So a price above $1, between $1 and $1.30. Hopefully within these next couple weeks, or possibly by, say, the third week of January. Of course, it's a big timeline here because we cannot predict the market. We kind of have to make some guesses that have a larger timeline, of course, but I'm thinking that this third subway will have this potential to be able to do this retracement here, take us back above that first subwave of the wave 3, and then continue working its way up. I'm thinking that this wave 3 could complete somewhere around the price, say around $1.90 as a possibility, somewhere within that range. But I mean, to be realistic, possibly somewhere between a price of around $1 and say 65 cents to all the way up to possibly $2, I think, as a possibility that we could be seeing things go. And then as far as waves 4 and 5, they're kind of irrelevant right now, but I'm thinking we could be seeing a full retracement. But obviously, we're looking well into 2023 to see such a thing really play out. And also, of course, to even see this completion of this wave 3, I think it's going to take us in the tail end of the first quarter of 2023 to see that complete, or even at the end. Of course, it could take that long. There's a pretty large possibility within the where I'm giving the price prediction. I'm even thinking it could go all the way into the second quarter of 2023 as a possibility to complete the wave 3. So this is not any sort of very fast retracement we're going to have, because of course we have to recover from the FTX fallout. You have to, of course, expect that it would take longer for price to recover up than it did for the price to come down crashing. So there's going to be time here to really see this recovery take place. So if we look at what's currently helping to keep us down right now, it is that 200-day moving average, which that is where this resistance is coming from at this moment. Our 200-day moving average is what we're really making this attempt to really break through. We made some attempts so far over this last week and a half to see such a thing happen, but we haven't succeeded at it yet. And that's also right there at that Fibonacci level that we need to be getting over as well. So there's just a couple things preventing this, but after we do pass that 200-day moving average, that's where I think that we'll be seeing these larger price movements, just like we did just before the whole FTX fallout had taken place. Right at the beginning of November, we had seen the price of Polygon finally pump through that and create some distance, and the price really went up a good amount. And that's why I'm thinking that we're right about there right now, and working on making that attempt. And then hopefully now that we have the 20-day moving average working its way up, that if we can continue to hold on to that as a level of support, we'll be able to pump through that hopefully, and be able to see Polygon to start making these larger gains within the price and continue within this third subwave, and really take this wave 3 up to where we need it to go. Hopefully we'll hit that price projection that we have there, and see the price of Polygon go within this top Fibonacci level here, go somewhere above $1 is what I'm hoping for, because that $1 price is also very key for Polygon as well. Especially when you look at Polygon, how it was managing to bounce off that $1 price and be able to take it from $1 all the way up to a price that was around $3 within the whole bull market, within the crypto market in 2021. So it was a very large level of support that Polygon had. And after it had lost that level of support, then that's what sent the price of Polygon down, crashing all the way down into its 52-week low after it had lost that $1 support. So $1 is a very key price, and that's where we get these larger price movements within Polygon. Hopefully we'll be able to see that happen here again as we go on to make our next attempt here within this potential price pump that we could see after we get through that 200-day moving average. So some important things there to be paying attention to right now. So great stuff as far as that all goes. So as far as the price Polygon potentially pumping through that 200-day moving average, and as far as how quickly it could possibly recover within that, seeing how things have played out the last time that we pumped through the 200-day moving average, we could be looking at a pretty decent sized gain if that is to end up happening. So as far as where we need to be going here with Polygon, as far as how big of a move that is, we look at Polygon's price right now at around 90 cents. And if we were to see this retracement here, we could be seeing a potential gain above 40% to be able to see such a thing happen. That would be a very significant price move that we could be seeing, but also to be more realistic, we could be seeing that somewhere between, say, 18% as well if we were to just go into this next Fibonacci level here after the price bump. So possibly somewhere as far as, say, even 20% to 40% price gain that we could be seeing within the next price pump that we could have. And then as far as where we could be going within this wave 3 to be able to complete, I mean, we can be looking at a gain within the price Polygon that could be above 100% if we were to see where this wave 3 could be taking us. So right now, as far as things go, I am currently still accumulating Polygon and hoping that we're going to be seeing this all play out in this way. So that's my current update with Polygon. I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions about this. Do you guys think that we could be seeing a very similar price pump like we had just recently seen? Obviously, history might not repeat itself twice with that, and obviously the price could still end up giving out instead, and then have to make that reattempt. But anyways, I'm very bullish on it. I'm still accumulating Polygon, and I'm hopeful that we're going to be able to see this all play out this way. But this is just my own opinion, not financial advice. Do take that into consideration. But I'd like to hear from you guys. I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions about this. What do you guys think that is going to happen? Let me know in the comments. So for anybody that is new here, I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day. and many other altcoins as well. Been talking about Polygon quite a bit on this channel as well. So if you like content like this, please do consider subscribing, and a like does go a long way. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one.